In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set enable scrolling as the default in Adobe Acrobat 11. If you found yourself frustrated with having to manually enable scrolling every time you open a PDF, this guide will effortlessly walk you through the process of making scrolling your default page layout style. Let's dive right in to make your PDF reading experience smoother and more convenient. To start off, open Adobe Acrobat 11. When you have it open, draw your attention to the top left corner of the window. Here you'll see the familiar icon known as the hamburger menu, which looks like three horizontal bars stacked on top of each other. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Preferences. This option is your gateway to customizing the way Acrobat behaves and looks when you're using it. Once you've clicked on Preferences, you'll see a new window pop up with a variety of settings categories listed in the left-hand pane. These categories let you tailor everything from general settings to more specific ones like accessibility and documents. For our purposes today, we want to focus on the accessibility category. So go ahead and click on accessibility in the list. This section provides various options to enhance the readability and usability of PDFs, particularly for users requiring screen readers or other assistive devices, but it also houses the settings we need to adjust our scrolling preferences. With the accessibility settings now in front of you, cast your eyes to the section titled Override Page Display. Here you'll find a checkbox that reads Always Use Page Layout Style. This is a crucial part of our task, as checking this box allows you to override the default page layout style Adobe Acrobat uses every time you open a document. Simply check this box to activate this feature. Directly next to this option is a drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down menu and select Single Page Continuous. Selecting this will enable continuous scrolling by default, which vastly improves navigation through lengthy documents. Finally, after setting Single Page Continuous as your default layout style, look towards the bottom of the Preferences window and locate the OK button. Clicking OK will save all the changes you've made and apply this new setting, ensuring that the next time you open a PDF, scrolling is enabled by default, eliminating the need to manually adjust your view each time. And there you have it, you've now successfully set Enable Scrolling as the default setting in Adobe Acrobat 11. By following these steps, you've customized Acrobat to better suit your reading habits, making it more efficient and enjoyable to use. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy reading!